All right, so quick video about how to change out your G35 Coupe. That should be the same for the sedan, front wheel hubs. So first thing you're gonna do, jack the car up. Now you can actually get away with changing out all the wheel hubs with these. You can actually get away with just these ones. So you need a 22, a 14, a 17, a 10. Extension helps out, and you can do it all on a 3/8 or a half. 3/8 a little bit easier to get in there. All right, so first things first, remove the wheel. Okay, after you've got it off, it should look like this. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the brake caliper. Now, first thing you're gonna do is you wanna open up and take out the pads. So on the back over this way, right here, you're gonna be using your 14, just so you can see, it goes right on there, okay? And you got that 14, okay? You're gonna put that on there, you're gonna open that up, you're gonna loosen this one up a little bit, and then it'll swing open. I'll show you that right now. I broke them loose for simplicity's sake, just so I can show you, but you put this one on here, you back it out, and then up on here on the back where that little plastic part is, you go like that, okay? And then, once you get it out, you take that out, just set it aside right there. And afterwards, you lift that bad boy up. Now, I've got stainless steel lines here, so I have to remove this 10. That's what the 10's for. Give me just a moment. Okay, so then you put your 10 over this way. You want a deep socket for that one. Again, you can use a 3/8. And then you just... Oh, hold on. Oh, that was right. Oh, it's locked. Give me a second. Okay, you break it loose, and then... Side real quick, take the line off. I generally try to put hardware back where it goes so that later on I can just grab it, it's not just on the floor. And then now that that's released, boom, opens up. And you can take the brake pads out. And I always like to set them on the same side just so I can remember, hey, that was the front, that was the back. When you get a little bit more experience with all this, you don't have to worry about it so much, but when you're still relatively new, a little bit simplistic. Okay, so then after you got that off, in the back over there, these two big guys, 1 and 2, we're gonna be using our, that's gonna be the 22, okay? So grab your 22, goes on right back over there, okay? And then you're gonna break that loose, and you're gonna break that loose. Now again, I like putting things back, so I'm gonna drop down that caliper, I'm gonna compress that a little bit, and then that one we put down, I'm gonna just put that right back there so that later on, I know where it goes. All right, so I'm gonna start working those bolts off. I'll show you in just a moment. Quick tip, when you take out the caliper bolts, the caliper itself is going to fall, so grab it. 22's out, I like to set them down to the side over there. Again, side's a big place for me. Now I've got the stainless steel lines. I remember when I've done this in the past, because I used some cheap ones, I'm having to replace them now, use good parts. Those wouldn't sit there, so I used to have them sit them on over the control arm, but just make sure you don't have too much pull on these, because, you know, again, it's a brake line. Alrighty, so you're over this way. Once you have that, you just go ahead and pull that bad boy right off. Rotor. Set it down gently. Okay. And at this point, you should have everything exposed, and now you are at your wheel hub. So then after you get to the wheel hub, over on the back end here, this is where the nits and grits of it is. You're gonna have 4 of these bolts, okay? You can't really miss them. There's gonna be 1, 2, 3, and 4. The 4th one's gonna be on the other side there. It's on the back. For that bad boy, comes right out. Not gonna lie, I had to use a little bit of a sledgehammer right now to get it out, so just keep it in mind. Okay, and then after that, you're gonna install the new part. So I'm in with the Nissan Value Advantage from Z1 Motorsports wheel hubs. Not too much, you can order them online, took about 2 days to show up.